you are one of those people that have rocked the life out of your curly wig and then you carefully tie it up and dump it somewhere in your closet, now's the time to go bring it out, as in just go and get it, because you paid good money for it. So you need to wear that wig for as long as you possibly can and even give away to someone in very good condition. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transform that dull, drabby, curly wig that you bought years ago into something that people will be asking you, hey sis, where did you get your wig from? Like, who's your plug? But before we get into that, let me officially welcome you to my channel. My name is Wendy and I share relatable personal growth tips, beauty hacks, hair tutorials to elevate your outer and inner glow. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get right into this. Here is my curly wig. It's the Peruvian deep wave closure wig in 24 inches. So I got this wig from the Wendy Locks Curly collection about 4 years ago now. And if this is your first time seeing my videos, let me do a proper introduction. I'm the founder of an e-commerce beauty brand in the US where we provide high quality and affordable human hair wigs, bundles, and other beauty essentials. We're also launching hair care products soon, so I'm super excited about that one. I'll leave a link in the description below. So currently this wig is available in 30 inches on the website. It comes with an elastic band and clips on the sides and the back, so that if you don't like to glue your hair down, as in for me, I don't like to glue my hair down all the time, you can just grab and go and you know that your wig is secured. Now the first thing to do is to detangle your wig to remove any knots and ties, especially at the back, because that is the part that gets matted the most. One tip to detangling curly hair, whether it's a wig or your own natural hair, is to never detangle dry curly hair, because that will lead to breakage and your hair will just be falling off like leaves during the fall season. So we don't want that. So place the wig in the sink and run warm water on it. After that, you take your detangling brush and comb out the hair. The next step is to deep condition the hair. I like to do this step before using the shampoo. You can use any good kind of deep conditioner. In this video, I'm using the Aunt Jackie's deep conditioning mask. And what I do is I take the mask and I apply a very generous amount. And after doing that, I just really massage it into the curls and tie it up in a nylon bag and leave it somewhere. I typically leave that out for about 30 minutes to an hour. So it's been a few hours. I just let the wig sit there and went about my day, and this babe is ready to be washed. Can you see how shiny and soft it's already looking after the deep condition? Nobody can tell me that I didn't just buy this wig last week, okay? So rinse off the deep conditioner and walk your fingers through the curls. Now, use any good shampoo. I definitely recommend using a shampoo that is sulfate free. I am using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner. It's relatively inexpensive. You can find it on Amazon, and this is a good one to use on your wigs and also your natural hair as well. So give it a good wash. And apply your regular conditioner on it for that extra shine.
I said I hate you, guess I was lying.
Leave the conditioner on for about 5 minutes and rinse it off.
When it's good, I like it. When it's bad, it's exciting. I said I hate you, guess I was lying. Yeah, been a while since I left in August. I'm alright, but if I'm being honest, home is where the heart is, and I feel heartless.
So right now I am moving the wig to a mannequin head to let it air dry after the excess water has been drained off in the sink. And this is where I typically do my styling, but at this point I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm packing in all the conditioners because curly hair loves moisture, it loves conditioner, but this step is definitely optional. You don't have to put in the leave-in conditioner if you don't have it. If you're in a hurry, this is the point where you go ahead and use a blow dryer. If you need to go somewhere as soon as possible and you need to wear your hair, use a blow dryer. But for me, I try to limit the use of heat as much as possible. So it's best I would recommend scheduling your wig wash days on days where you don't have anywhere to go, so you can allow the hair air dry properly. But if you have to use heat, always remember to use a heat protecting spray to prevent any damage. At this point, the wig is about 90% dry, so I'm going to use a mousse to tighten up the curls. I will leave this wig to air dry for the day and then come back later to see it. So this is how the wig is looking after it has dried for a bit. As I said earlier, curly hair loves moisture, so you don't want your wig to be totally dry. For me, I love that wet look, and that's why right now I'm going to use a spray bottle to spritz some water because curly hair is always thirsty. And after that, I'm going to use a tiny bit of argan oil to make it look sleek. And we are done. My dry up wig is back to life again. I actually have to be at an event today, so I'm dressing up for that right now. Also, I decided not to glue the wig down because I have to wash and treat my own natural hair this weekend. So I don't want to deal with removing glue as well. But before I head out, I just have to do a quick Zoom call with my team. I have to reply a few emails and do some last minute marketing, scheduling. And when you run your own business, there's always something to do, but I try to batch my work so I'm not working around the clock because I enjoy my downtimes and rest days so much. And this year I only signed up for Soft Life, so anything that will stress me is a no. So watch out for my next video because I am delving into some key healthy habits that will elevate your life this year. I'll be talking more on my routines and mindset practices that I adopt to stay productive and also have a well-balanced life. So that's it, beauties. Look at how these curls are looking refreshed and juicy. I typically do a wig refresh like this every other month, depending on how long I wear it. So if you love this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any upcoming videos. Until next time, darlings, I'll catch you in the next one.